Are you exhibiting at a trade show in the USA? Why spend $20,000 to $30,000 on renting booth kits and dealing with hidden costs like handling charges? You can buy portable and modular exhibition kits at 1/5 the price of the rental. Say hello to the Portable and Reusable Exhibition Kit, the perfect solution for cost-effective, customizable, and hassle-free exhibits at international trade shows. These kits are lightweight, tool-free, easy to ship, and can be easily set up by one person. Let's start with the 20 by 20 feet configuration. It offers the ultimate flexibility, whether you want an open eyelid-style setup to maximize visibility from all the angles, or a more traditional layout with a closed back wall. This configuration gives you the space and versatility to make a bold impact. The 20 by 20 setup comes in multiple configurations, depending on the exhibition layout. For example, it could look like this, or this. Next we have 20 by 10 feet configuration, which fits in half the space but offers as much flexibility for your brand to shine. It is versatile enough to be used in all sides open booth, creating more interactive and inviting layout, or with one side open to direct visitors' attention to a central display. It could look like this, or this open layout, this 3-side enclosed layout, or this one for maximum frontage. For those needing a large presence in a compact space, this compact setup is perfect for small events, giving you multiple options. This all sides open booth, great for high traffic areas where you want to engage from every direction. Or this 2 sides open configuration for a corner stall. Or even this 3 sides closed configuration. Or this one for maximizing frontage. Customizable and trade show compliant for all the states in the US. Our kits help you stand out with a variety of designs, ensuring the perfect fit for your brand. Our booths feature a sleek, straightforward design with essential branding elements. This design not only highlights your core messages, but also includes option for easy product showcasing, high visibility with product displays on shelves and LED TV mount, enhancing your brand's visibility and engagement. These kits are compact, easy to carry, and can be installed in less than 10 minutes. And you can showcase heavier items on these sleek podiums. Plus, lockable meeting or storage spaces make it practical and functional. With options for backlit graphics and a height of up to 12 feet, this booth blends style and creativity for a truly memorable impact. Visit instagroup.com or call us at 916-724-6768 to get started today.